Hi everyone, welcome back to part 3 of the Fruity Bonsai series. Today we are going to repot and pot on the cherry seedlings that are here and doing really well, so we'll get those potted on today. But before we do that, yesterday was a really exciting day here. My daughter went for her scan, and it was the gender scan, so that we find out what gender the baby is going to be. So will it be a boy or a girl? Let's have a look and see what the reaction was yesterday when we found out.
I think it's a boy. I think it's a boy. Are we going to see what's happening now?
Where's Scott?
What is it got for?
Hey,
Are we coming
right,
on?
is it a boy? Is it a girl?
Everybody ready? Do it up in air, Mum.
Oh, it's a girl! That really has to be one of the most fantastic moments of my life, to see my wife so happy and so elated and so excited. She absolutely believed 100% that it was going to be a boy. I originally thought it was going to be a boy, but after seeing the last scan I convinced myself it was a girl. So we were all waiting for the blue confetti to pop up into the air, and as you can see from the realisation as Kay was watching the confetti go, she looked, oh my god, it's pink, it's a girl. And being a dancer, Kay's, she had obviously our daughter who went dancing when she was young but didn't really get on with it. Now as the grandmother to a new baby Margot, as she's going to be, hopefully she can influence the dancing gene again into baby Margot. All that being said, let's get on with part 3 of the Fruity Bonsai series and get these cherry seedlings out and into some some of these plastic pots full of soil to allow them to grow on and continue to do well.
Are we going to do it then?
Yeah, we're going to do it. Are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Everybody's watching, so we need to start doing it. Right, you ready?
Yes.
Yes, right. So the first thing we're going to do is get the seedlings out of the tray. Looks like we might have to do it a few at a time. So if we get one of our pots, and then
What's this? It's not going to get that.
we have some John Hines seed sowing compost. So we'll put the seed sowing compost into position. We'll take our first seedling. We can see that we've got some nice roots on there, some good roots. So we'll hold that into the pot. We'll just create a little bit of a well for it to go into, and then fill it with the soil.
Let's go out.
And that's going to grow nicely. We'll just make sure we've got plenty around. It's quite leggy, these cherries. They've been in here for a little bit too long.
Well, let's do it. Yeah.
You want to fill one?
Yeah.
So that's cherry number 1.
Let's see what.
Pot number 2 for cherry number 2. Can you fill it up?
Yeah.
You want to do it with a shovel?
Yeah.
Go on then.
I need this. Yeah. I need them.
You need to fill this up first.
Okay.
Yep, go on. Grandad, pour some in for you. I'll pour the bottom bit in.
Oh, listen. I got some more. I got some more. I got some more.
Yeah.
What was it? Yeah. Wait more. Oh, yellow.
That's very good. So we'll just get another one of the seedlings. It's got only tiny little roots on this one. The main tap root just broke as I was lifting it out. So we'll get that deep into the bottom. And then we'll get some more of this potting on compost. I called it the seeding compost, but it's potting on compost.
We do that. We do that. We do that.
Yeah.
Now was it somewhere with that?
So we've got plenty of soil in there. So we will just water these as they go in. So that's number 2.
Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Right, this one.
So Harry's going to start number 3. And I will crack on with number 4. So we'll free up these seedlings a little bit better than we just did the last one. And hopefully not break too much of the root there. We've got the main tap root with that one. So we're all looking good. We'll put that into the potting on compost. And while Harry's filling in his pot, we'll get this one potted in. So that's another one potted through. And this is just standard John Hines potting on compost. No special bonsai soil or anything.
Just love it a bit.
So we're coming along for another one here. And we'll get another seedling, plenty of roots on. Drop that into place.
I'll get some of this. That way.
That's all looking very good, Harry. Thank you.
I'll just get some that bit that way.
Yeah.
I'll get some bit. Come on. Get some bit right now. Right.
So that's 4 done. We'll carry on and come back when we've got the rest of them done and show you what we're going to do with them as we go on. You ready, H, to carry on?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're more than halfway through now. We've got 9 of the cherries potted up. We have about 6 left to go. And Harry's doing an absolutely fantastic job of filling up the pots for me, ready to transport and plant on the cherries. So we'll get the rest done and we'll see you again when we're finished. So here we are. We've planted up all the cherry seedlings, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there was just that one that didn't make it, but never mind, 15's more than enough to go on with. We did water them all in as we went along, so we'll just give them some more, just to make sure that that soil is nicely moist all the way through. We don't want it to be dry down near the roots.
Hey, let's do another one.
We're going to do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's just go.
So we get plenty of soil, plenty of water into this soil. It's going to drain straight through anyway, so it will retain enough moisture to keep the tree. We can wash our hands afterwards, yes. Now also, anybody who watches the channel knows that I like to recycle the old trays. So I have a 6-piece tray here. So I'm going to put the larger ones into this 6-piece tray.
Let's put this one in.
That's a little one. We're going to put that into a green one. We've got a big one here that can go in. And this one, I think. So we'll place those 6 into a nice position to allow them to grow on. And then we've got a green tray that a lot come in, and we'll just pick up some of the weaker looking seedlings. And the interesting thing will be is to see whether the weaker seedlings catch up with the stronger seedlings and do well. We're going to do some more in a minute. Yeah, we're not finished yet. So that's those 6.
I got enough ones.
And these 3 we'll just put onto some seed trays near the window and allow them to do their thing. So last time, in the last video, I did promise that we would try and get some orange seeds to plant and sow. And today I've been eating nothing but oranges, and we have a bowl full of orange pips. So we'll just drop that onto a paper towel. We'll just rough them up. I have removed a lot of the pulp from the seeds, but we'll just rough them a little bit just to try and take a bit more off. Some of them, where we've been slicing and dicing, the husk has been removed. So there's one here, if I can just manage to pick it up, you can see that the husk has split, so the seed inside is ready to grow. So we'll just bring all those together into one corner, and we'll fold and then fold again, and then we'll just keep folding them in so they're nice to put in. What I'm going to do is just make sure that the paper towel is nice and wet all the way through, and we'll place that into a Ziploc bag, some sort of polystyrene bag, plastic bag, and then put it into a dark area, and that will root over the next few days. So within a few days, up to a week, we will be able to sow them on into some sowing soil. That.
I can do another one. Say some more water. Say some more water. Say some more water.
Look at the camera. So that's going to do it for today for me and Harry here at Let's Do Bonsai. So go out and have the best of the rest of your day. Be kind to others, animals and the planet. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.